This is designed as finishing planers. Yeah, it's a sharpening attachment. You gotta pull the blades out otherwise, which is a huge time-consuming ordeal. In the manual it says to do it once a morning. The crow's foot. And the crow's foot is a height adjustment for your knife. I can lock the blade, and then I can walk over and make sure that I just feel my knife. So that's a rough adjustment to make sure my knives are in the right spot, the right height. Just fucking spat out grease. You set your depth on your first pass. I've got them numbered, so I'm on number 2. I just finished number 2. Then I'll roll it to number 3. And I didn't change my height. So what I'll do is I'll walk through all 4 of them at the same height. So then they're all at the same cutting height. And I'll walk over them again with like a micro pass. You don't want to take off too much. This is kind of a heavy pass. It'll get rid of all the chips and stuff. But if you see bluing, if you see the grind is blue, that means you're overheating it. I'm on number 1 again. What I'll do is I'll micro it down, like not even a quarter turn. You have 4 blades, so you run each one individually at the same height. So basically you will probably want to do this at least once a week if you're lucky enough to have a grinding attachment with one of the old planers. Some new planers have them, but I know that they're pretty rare. They get lost a lot, especially over a machine that's from the 50s, 60s, 70s. There's a good chance that it'll get dropped or broken or lost or whatever. You can do all different types of quality. It's really up to what your projects are. We do a lot of roughing planing, so we're setting the bottom, we're just surfacing. These planers were in the best cabinetry shops in the country. Like Boss was known to make planers up to 52 inches wide, 5 feet wide for piano tops. They glue up the piano tops, and they'd have to come out so perfect. So they're really high quality planers. You get an incredible finish off them, but you got to know how to maintain them. And so there it is.